Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be the best bizarre things that I got. I was a bit lazy and just didn't do the whole but I got some really nice pieces, and I brought out these boots that I got from River Island because basically everything that I bought from here works with these boots. I love when you have like, well, I have loads of shoes. I think I have like 60 something pairs, but I want to try and stop buying so many shoes, so I want to try and use what I already have. So I love when you have one shoe and then you can style it with so many different outfits. So I'm going to show you how to style these boots with everything that I'm wearing. Even this outfit, these boots work. And yeah, I got them from River Island. I can't remember how much they were. Maybe like £50. Definitely worth it though. Okay, so first up is this oversized cardigan. Perfect for this weather because it's still so cold. Like if you want to go for a walk. I feel like it looked nicer on the website. I did buy it like maybe 2 weeks ago and it's just been sitting in my room. But I'm just a bit confused. I'm not loving it. You know, for £60. Maybe it was styled a bit differently because it's got all this excess material here in the front. I'm trying to see what I can do with it. That just doesn't make any sense. Yeah, okay. I'm going to try and style it up with the dresses that I also got, although they don't really suit this colour. You know what, I'm going to give this cardigan a miss, okay? I don't really love it. I don't think it's worth £60 because I'm trying to style it and it's just not working. But it does have lovely big pockets if you do like the style. I don't think it's worth £60. I think £30 is a better price to pay for this. So my advice would be, if you like it, the problem is we are now in kind of that cold season. If you like it and you want to wear it now, okay, get it. But if you're happy to wait until next winter, then I would wait for the summer sales because I think this will be half price by then. I don't think this is going to be something that's going to be sold out really, really soon. So next up, it's a bit of like a schoolgirl look. I've paired it up with this short sleeve top underneath, again from Zara. This knit dress is £30 and it's on the Zara website. I love it. It's so girly, it's so clueless, it's just so me. I love things like this. Only thing I don't love is my hair. I feel like if I had my natural hair curled, it would look so much nicer. But you know, that's affair. I had to do the braids to protect my hair. But yeah, it is quite short, but not too short. I'll show you the back. It does make me look super young. It makes me look 16 even though I'm 23. But I don't mind. People always tell me that I look young for my age. Like they think that I'm a schoolgirl. Especially when I don't have any makeup on. Or certain hairstyles as well. I think this hairstyle makes me look younger. But I don't actually mind it because if I look young now, it means when I'm 30 I'm going to keep looking young. Hopefully. 30, 40 plus, you know, I'm going to be looking good and don't need any more help. So the dress is £30 and I got it in a size small. I'll take off the top as well so you can see it without the top underneath. But, more of a look. And the pockets are thick. Sorry. Okay, so here's the look now without the top underneath. If you want just to go like this, a bit more sexier. I probably wouldn't wear the boots if I was going to do that. Probably just wear nice sandal high heels just to keep it a bit more sexy because you have a little bit of a cleavage and you've got your arms exposed. My problem with my cleavage, just recently my cycle came because I had to get my implant replaced, which is why I have the bandage. Should probably explain that one. And my chest area just got bigger. It just got bigger. Like, I've always been wearing a 32D for a good time and they've always fit me really, really well. And then I just noticed, you know, I didn't want to wear any bras. I was wearing sports bras. And then I went and wore my bra again. I noticed, I felt it a bit more. And I went to the store and they only had a 32D. So I bought it, or double D, sorry. So I just bought it because I was like, someone else is buying it for me. I went home and it fit perfectly. Then I put my 32D back on and I was like, oh, okay. My boobs are bigger. But you know what's so frustrating? I literally just spent the last 6 months building my bra collection. Like, it was perfect, beautiful, I got all the lovely ones, and now I can't wear them. Keeping up with that knit style, I got this skirt and top. I think the skirt's a bit on the short side. Let me push it down. Love the colour grey. I think it's just a really nice colour. I think people associate it with like doom and gloom, but I think it's nice. I like it. It's a little bit itchy, I will say that, so I probably would wear a vest underneath it just to combat the itchiness of the top. Top is £27, well not 28, and the skirt is 22 or 23. Let's double check if I can. Oh, 23 skirt, £28 top. Kind of expensive. I am such a cheapskate these days. Like, it's because I was shopping in the sales for so long. I just found all these sales. Like, now I'm like, whoa, 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 everything is so expensive. And also because I don't want to just accumulate things. I just want pieces that I absolutely love and adore and I'm gonna wear straight away. I love the skirt and I love the top. Do I think it's me? Do I see myself wearing it? Probably not. Maybe I'll wear it once, but I'm just trying to think. My problem is I just don't go out anymore because I'm busy with studying. I do love the skirt. It's really, really cute. But I think I'm going to give it a miss because I just don't see myself wearing it. But I hope it's good for people to see. The jumper is okay, but I don't know if you've noticed, like, it's a bit short on the arms. Yeah, so that's also a mess as well. So I'm not loving the outfit, you know. I'm happy just to spend my money if something is amazing, but not if it's like this. But do love the style. Boots, tights, and you're good. So next up is this black dress. Super gorgeous, super lovely. Long sleeved. I love the material. It feels expensive. It doesn't feel cheap. It's nice and thick. The only thing, I recently just bought a black dress from Massimo, from TK Maxx basically. It's only £25. Got a good deal. And it's kind of similar, and I already kind of have other black dresses. So I can't keep it because I have something very, very similar. It's not long sleeved, but it's kind of the same style. But this one, if you don't have something like this, which is like a long, thick, elegant black dress, get this. It's £28. I got it in a size small. I would buy it if I just didn't already own something very much like this. So yeah, I like the neckline as well for someone who's going to show off everything. I do feel supported, although I am still wearing a bra, but I think this will support you without a bra as well. And the back as well. It's very versatile. I think you can get away with wearing it in interviews. If you wore tights and the right shoes, you can get away with wearing it at a funeral. I know it's not really a great thing to say, but you know, we always need a black dress somewhere, and you can get away with wearing it for dinner. So I think it's very versatile if you're someone who kind of wants to maybe not buy everything, but just have, you know, pieces that you can wear regularly for different things. So yeah, I do think it's a really versatile dress. This dress is really cute. I think I need to size up. It's a little bit on the short side for me. I think it'd be perfect though for going out with my friends or my friend. Yeah, just a girls' day out. I'm gonna size up because it's riding up and I feel really self-conscious. I put on some weight and things just fit me differently these days. But I think a nice big belt or even a slim belt just to you know, style it up a bit more would look nicer. Tights, boots, and a nice big black coat. Let me go get that belt. I might get the Ted Baker one. Okay, so I have two belts. I have this if I'm going to wear like black everything else, like black boots, black coat, etc. So that'll be the Ted Baker one. I like it. Just puts in the waist a little bit, makes it a bit more elegant. And then I said, throw on the boots and then a nice jacket. I've put this kitchen towel here just because, you know, the whole rule, you're not supposed to bring shoes into the other part of the house. And I don't want the outside of the bottom touching the nice wood. So that's one option. Another option would be a big brown one if I was going in the brown direction. This one I got from H&M. Don't love it as much. I think I would prefer the black one, but some ideas. And next up is this dress. I don't like it. I don't like the print. I don't even know why I got it. I think sometimes they look so nice online, then you get them in person and they just do not look as nice. Like, my chest area looks great because my figure is amazing, but other than that, the dress is a no. It's just kind of boring. It is £30 and a size small. It's a no for me. And then this beautiful cream dress. By itself, I think it's nice but a bit boring. So I would personally add the belt to it. I actually wouldn't wear these shoes. Shoes, what I would wear. Ooh, I don't have shoes in this color. I need to get some. I really want to if I had boots in this color. That would look amazing. Anyway, next shopping trip. So yeah, I would pair it up like this, and then put my thigh-high boots and a nice big brown trench coat. That would look incredible. This dress is £30, great material, very similar to that black one that I showed you. I think they're like exactly the same, just different colours. But oh, the neckline, this one does have like the roll neckline. You can either wear it out or you can tuck it inside, like so. Just purely depends on how you prefer to wear them. I know it's a bit messy, but yeah, cute little dress. Is it for me? I don't know. I need to look at myself in the mirror and see. You let me know though what you think. But that's basically the haul done. I hope you enjoyed it. Got some thinking about something that I really loved. I don't think there's anything in this haul that I loved, to be honest. I'm just trying to think about it now. Maybe the pink dress was quite nice. I liked the print. I think my mom also said she really liked the print as well. But everything else wasn't quite there. But one thing I want to try and do, oh actually, excuse me, that black dress was incredible. Just that I had one basically the same. I wanted to see if this cardigan would look nice with this, but no. Okay, bye.